Okay, boys and girls, we are on page 189 of your writing book. So go ahead and get a sharpened pencil and let's begin. Write your name at the top of the page and your number. Once you've written your name, we're going to begin with house number 1. In house number 1, we see a capital J and a lowercase j. The reason I know this is a capital is because it begins upstairs and goes downstairs. My lowercase j begins downstairs and goes into the basement with a dot. So go ahead and write J with me. Capital J, lowercase j. Capital J, lowercase j. Now on your own, write capital J and lowercase j all the way across. When you write it on your own, you're going to add the hat on top of the uppercase J. Good. Once you've written that 3 times on your own, we're going to move on to house number 2. House number 2 says, Jim likes to eat jam, period. This is Jim and he likes to eat jam. So let's take a look at our sentence. We're going to trace the sentence. Jim begins with a capital J, finger space, likes, finger space, 2, space, eat, space, jam. And I always end with a punctuation mark. Okay, so let's look at the words. Do we see any special sounds that we could circle? No. Okay, let's move on. Jim. Don't forget your spaces. 1 finger only. Likes. 2. And remember, you're using the red dots to guide you all the way through so that you're writing nicely and neatly. And don't forget your punctuation. Now, in my next sentence on house number 4, it says, he likes grape jam best. Do you see a special sound? I see 2. Let's circle them before we write it in. I see GR says gur in grape, and ST says st in best. Okay, now let's begin. He likes grapes, or he likes grape. So let's remember that's a special sound. Jam best. And that's another special sound, period. Now let's write it on your own without circling the special sounds. He, capital H, finger space, like, grape, jam, don't forget your finger space, best, period. He likes grape jam best. Good job.